Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the option to end calls using the power button, also known as the side button, on your iPhone. If you've ever tried to hang up a call quickly but found that pressing the power button doesn't work, don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then navigate to Accessibility. Scroll down until you find Side Button. Tap on it to access additional options. The first option is Siri, which allows you to activate voice commands using the side button. The second option is Classic Voice Control, an alternative voice assistant that works without an internet connection. And the third option is Off, which disables both Siri and voice control. If this setting is turned off, you won't be able to end calls using the side button. To fix this, simply tap Siri or Classic Voice Control. Both options will allow you to hang up calls using the side button. Now make a quick test call and press the power button when you want to hang up. If everything is set up correctly, the call should end instantly. And that's it. With this simple setting adjustment, you can easily end calls with the power button on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.